Well, hello folks, this video is all about how to install Angular and set up a brand new Angular app. The key to the whole thing is to head to cli.angular.io and the instructions are right there on the page. So you just open up the terminal and you say npm install -g, that means a global installation, and then it's going to be Angular/CLI. Now I'm not going to do that because I've already done that, but once you do that, you navigate somewhere like, say, your desktop, as I have here. You can see that above here, and then to create a new app, we would just say something like ng new, and I'll say something like my first -app, hit return, and it's as simple as that. So as you can see, we've just finished up, and here on the desktop, in my case at least, we have a folder with everything we need.